Hello you boss babes, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today for another video. Today is an exciting video because I am officially a Curls Dynasty brand ambassador. I've been wanting to try Curls Dynasty for a long time, so when they reached out to me about this partnership, I was extremely excited. They're a Black woman owned natural hair line specifically for hair of color, for textured hair. So if you have that 4A, 4B, 4C hair and you're worried about dryness, this is definitely the brand for you. And today I'm gonna vlog. So I'm on my way down to their store to pick up my package with the products that I chose. So I'm excited. I'm very excited. I have a discount code for Curls Dynasty. It's 15% off. So if you use my code, I get a small commission from your purchase. So, you know, help a sister out. But I promise you'll see my review. I have no doubts that their products are going to be amazing. I've seen awesome reviews, so I'm excited. Let's go down to the headquarters. I'm gonna take you along with me, and this was already a long intro as usual. You all know I like to talk, that's why I have a YouTube channel, but let's go down and yeah. La da 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 day, you're not breaking me. Not the light being perfect, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm here. This is the store. Well, I don't know if it's a store or just like a location, but I'm about to go in. I called because I wasn't even sure like where I was going. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. It's so nice.
Thank you. Yeah, we've been at it, you know.
Amazing.
Trying to fix things and everything.
Love it.
Let me just verify. Okay, so you had a twisted,
Mm-hmm.
a hello growth serum.
Mm-hmm.
You had a conditioner and shampoo, right?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Thank you so much. Is it
No
like if I look
problem.
at not us having the same color nails?
Right. Yes. Yes. I'm in love with the green.
Oh, you guys have candles?
Yes, so Nikki, you know, she's the CEO founder
Right.
of Curls Dynasty. She's about to launch her own candle line.
Nice.
Yeah, so they are for sale right now. She has a diffuser and the candles.
Okay.
And there's like
how much is the diffuser?
So the diffuser is $35, I believe. The candle's $30.
Okay. Can I smell it?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Honestly, the packaging is lovely.
Yeah. Oh, you can
And they smell
this right.
Okay, I like that one.
Yeah, this one's my
I
favorite.
like that
The weekend
one.
fling is my favorite for sure. Yeah.
I'm gonna come back for
Yeah,
it.
definitely.
Let me look
Yeah,
around.
go ahead. Yeah.
That'll be
There's
amazing.
a lot happening going on here.
The bye-bye breakage, is it like a scalp thing? Like, oh, it's an overnight treatment.
It's an
Okay.
overnight treatment. So you put it in overnight
Mm-hmm.
before your wash day.
Oh,
so
okay.
If you're gonna wash your hair tomorrow, you would put it in tonight.
That's actually, how much is that?
For the bye-bye breakage, I believe it's 15.
I'm gonna take one.
I'm gonna double check.
I'm gonna take one. That's like good for.
Yeah.
That would be
It's very
good.
good for
Yeah.
like if you have if your hair is breaking,
Mm-hmm.
if you have a lot of frizz.
Yeah. If you know when it would be perfect, like when you just take off your braids,
Yes, and
That-
you need that whole
that moisture.
Yes.
I could just take one hair, or you have one.
Yeah, you can grab one.
Okay. Anyways, I got this cute bag from Curls Dynasty with all the products that I chose in hair. Don't forget, if you want to purchase any products from them, I have a code linked down below, so go check it out and use my code at checkout. It's FAITG 15 for 15% off all of your purchases. So yeah, let's open the bag. So first, I got the Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo. This is going to be excellent for nourishing your hair, especially after braids like I just had a few weeks ago. And the mint is going to be very soothing and cleansing for the scalp. And I really love this little nozzle. It's going to be very convenient to make sure the shampoo gets right in my scalp. I cannot wait to do a demo for you guys. So that's the shampoo. Then I got the Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner, which is going to be excellent for restoring the moisture into my hair and softening the hair, keeping it nourished and healthy after I use my shampoo. It has organic aloe, chamomile flower, rosemary extract, aloe vera leaf extract, sugarcane, peppermint. So it has a lot of refreshing and hydrating products that will be excellent to keep the hair moisturized and nourished, which is what our type 4 low porosity hair needs. So thirdly, I got the Twisted Definition Twisting Cream, which I'm very excited for to use for my twist outs, because from what I've seen, people get amazing results with this product, and the twists are so juicy and defined and moisturized, so I'm excited for that. And then I got the Bye Bye Breakage Miracle Overnight Treatment. This is an overnight hair mask to use before your wash days. So you saturate the hair with this, and I think it will be excellent as a pre-shampoo, and it will help protect the hair from breakage during your wash routine, because you're going through a lot of manipulation when you're washing your hair with the scalp massaging and the detangling. So this product is going to be excellent to protect the hair from any damage and prevent breakage. Dry hair is extremely fragile, and it's important to keep our hair nourished to retain that length, right? So I'm excited to try this one. And then last but definitely not least, I got the Hello Growth Powerful Growth Serum for healthy hair and scalp. And it's just a hair oil. I'm assuming that this is going to be something to just keep the scalp nourished and to keep the hair healthy and help with that growth, help retain that growth. So I'm excited to try this one. One of my resolutions, my New Year's resolutions for 2022 is to focus on the health of my hair, because January actually is going to be the anniversary of my big chop. I big chopped in January 2019. And since I big chopped, I've been experimenting with hair color, braided hairstyles, and I wasn't really focused on protecting and helping my hair to retain that length. I was more just excited to see what my hair could do. And now I've reached a point where I just want to keep my hair healthy and see how long it can get. So I'm excited to try this product. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, you're going to see me trying out all of these products in a wash day routine. So from start to finish, I'm going to do the pre-shampoo, shampoo condition, twist, hair growth serum, and you're going to see the end result. I'm excited. Don't forget to shop Curls Dynasty. It's a small business, a small Black woman-owned business. We need to support our own. Use my discount code. It'll really help me out. I get a small commission from all of your purchases. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!